In this video, I'll show you how to add an AI chatbot to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are loads of templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elf site. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the chat section, and down below, you will find AI chatbot. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the corner of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to where you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and you will be greeted with a Create Your AI Agent tab. In here, this is where you can add your website URL, but if you don't have a website and you want to enter the details manually, what you want to do is you want to go here to the bottom, where it says Enter Details Manually on blue. Simply click on that one, and then it will ask you to create your AI agent by helping them identifying or understand your business and its role by filling out one of these details. You want to add your business name, your industry, the business overview, the agent's role, as well as the contact details. You just want to make sure that you fill everything in here all up. Once you have successfully filled out all of your details within your business, you want to go to the bottom and click on Save and Continue. Once you do that, you will be greeted with 4 options on the left-hand side. On the training section, this is where you can train your AI agent. You can add your web pages, your files, your questions and answers, your text blocks. You can also add an AI agent behavior to collect the contacts, add a follow-up message, as well as add agent instructions. On the greeting section, this is where you can add your welcome message, and on the right hand side, you can also see that within here. You can also add quick replies for what can this agent do. Tell me about your offerings, and if you want to add a quick reply, simply click on the Add Quick Reply button. In here, you can simply enter your quick reply. What you could also do is arrange these in a specific order, and if you do that, what you want to do is hover onto a quick reply, hold, and then drag it to a specific order that you want it to be. At the right hand side, you will see these 3 dots for actions on each and every reply. Simply click on it. You can either delete. And at the bottom for the greetings display, you can also change this to a above chat bubble, an above chat bubble after delay, or an in chat window only. On the general section, this is where you can change your AI agent profile. At the right hand side, if you click on edit, you'll be able to change the display name, add a caption, as well as add a profile picture. At the bottom, you can also change the button icon, and if you click on the icon, you can choose from the library, and in here, there will be a lot of options. Below, you can also change the button position from the right to the left. And at the bottom, you can also send a chat history to email, and then you want to add your owner email right in here. At the bottom, you can even add a footer, and you can add your footer text right in here. You can also set a language, a time zone, and on the theme section, this is where you can change your theme. You have about 6 options to choose from. And what you could also do is that on each and every theme, you can change the accent color into how you want it to be. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elf site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to the page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between two sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed and Social. Simply click on that one. And on Embed Code, on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate. Anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once you're done, simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your widget, and on the corners of the frame, you want to click on these circles, hold, and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to simply click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code. And on the left-hand side, we just want to paste the code, so simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Now under Font Family, this is where you can change it into the fonts into how you want it to be. And once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and click on Update so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have an AI chatbot on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.